Instagram introduces sound effects for your Instagram Reels. And I'm gonna show you how to use them so long as you hit the like button. Okay, how about leave a comment? Okay, it's fine, scrap that. I'm gonna show you how to use them anyway. Thank you. Thank you. I obviously couldn't resist using some of those sound effects in my intro, but Instagram Reels has now made 16 different sound effects available for you to use for free. Instagram Reels have introduced 16 different sound effects for you to have fun with and get creative with. With these new Instagram sound effects, you can use sound effects multiple times, you can use multiple sound effects, and you can layer different sound effects at the same time. So moving on, I'm going to share my screen with you and I'm going to show you where to find them and how to use those Instagram Reels sound effects. Record your reel in the app, or it can be pre-recorded and upload your video. Once done, tap preview in the bottom right. Tap the music note at the top. Down in the bottom right hand corner, you have sound effects. Tap that. Here you will see 16 sound effects to choose from. Your video will automatically play through. You can hit pause, then move the timer dot right and left to choose where you want the sound to play from. When you have chosen the place, tap the sound effect. Note, the sound effects are different lengths, so you need to make sure you have enough video for the effect to play out. If you make a mistake and add one that you didn't want, or in the wrong place, press the undo button in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have added any amount of sound effects, you can also choose the sound effect audio level.
Nope.
Once you're done, hit next and post your reel. I'm sure you can have some fun and get creative with some of those sounds. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. And of course, leave any suggestions of any tutorials that I can create to help you. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Thank you for watching.